Renting a car can be a significant expense during your travels. However, with the right strategies, you can reduce costs and avoid common pitfalls. In this video, we'll share expert tips to help you save money on your next car rental. Planning ahead is key. Booking your rental car in advance often secures better rates. Utilize comparison websites to evaluate prices from various companies, ensuring you get the best deal available. Renting a car at the airport is convenient, but can come with additional fees. Consider renting from an off-airport location to save money. Many rental companies offer shuttle services to nearby offices, providing a cost-effective alternative. Rental companies often offer add-ons like GPS devices, car seats, or insurance coverage. These can significantly increase your total cost. Before accepting, assess whether you truly need them. For instance, your smartphone can serve as a GPS, and your personal auto insurance or credit card may already provide rental coverage. Rental companies offer various fuel options, such as pre-purchasing a full tank or returning the car with a full tank. Pre-purchasing may seem convenient, but often leads to paying for unused fuel. It's usually more economical to refuel the car yourself before returning it. Memberships with organizations like AAA, AARP, or certain credit cards can offer rental car discounts. Additionally, some employers provide corporate rates. Always check for available discounts before booking. Before driving off, inspect the car for any existing damage and ensure it's documented by the rental company. Taking photos can serve as evidence, protecting you from potential disputes over damage claims upon return. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce your rental car expenses and enjoy a smoother travel experience. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in keeping more money in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights.